San Francisco 911, what's the exact location of your emergency?
Everybody needs to come over.
Hello, 911, what's the exact location?
You're not listening to this, please, fast.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you. Can you slow down with the address? Sorry, what's the address? What's the cross street?
Fast.
Hello, what is your cross street? Okay. You said your wife is bleeding and you think someone...
Got her all over the floor.
What's your phone number in case we're disconnected?
Let go of me, Mark.
Who's there with you?
Let go of me. He has me in the...
Who is there with you? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Who is there with you?
I can't hear you.
Who is there with you?
My son and the dogs.
Okay, who do you think did this to your wife?
He hit her with a stick.
Your son?
Yes. He's...
Okay. One moment here.
It is fast. Let go, Mark. Hello?
Hello, San Francisco 911.
He's on top of me.
He's on top of you.
All right, copy. Hey, sir, come here. Come here. What's going on? Does he have a weapon?
He has a walking stick.
Where is it at? Where are they at? Come over here.
Come in.
George Floyd, I have the RP.
Police code RP refers to reporting party.
Where are they? Huh?
George Floyd has the RP outside.
Police! Who's up there? Sir, stay down there. Hey, police! Let me see your hands. Hey, let me see your hands.
What?
Let me see your hands.
What?
George Floyd, code 33, got blood in the hallway. I'm upstairs, made contact with the subject.
Yeah.
Sir, get down!
George Floyd has code 30.
Hey, sir, hey, put the knife down! Put the knife down!
George Floyd here tonight.
I'm not. Hey, bring ERW. You have to 222. Hey, get down, get down.
Oh, you're running the flag,
Get back.
you little bitch.
I'll shoot you, dude.
You little bitch.
Hey, get back.
You're running away, huh?
Get back.
You're running away.
Get back.
You're running.
Get back, get back.
Drop the knife.
Are you okay?
Well, I've been hitting him with a stick. Let go, let go.
George 1297.
George 1297. 222. George 11. You're running away.
Get back.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the knife. George 4 has the air.
Hey, hold here. Hold. You see the knife?
It was in his right hand.
Hey, I need you to roll back over. I need to see your hands. I need to see your hands. Your hands. I need to see your hands, man. Hey, man, I'm trying to help you, man. Let me see your hands. I'm trying to help you.
Code 33 on 78 for George 4 over.
Get back, sir. Get back. Hey, someone get him. Hey, you stay here. Arnold.
I got him. You got him covered? Sir, stand back.
Hey, man, I need to see your hands. We need to help you, okay?
Yeah, from 12 veteran 11 Everton.
Hey, man, we need to help you, okay?
George 12 and 11 there with the 4 over.
Hey, man, what's your name, man? Hey, man, we need to help you, man. Hey, man, I want to get you medical attention, man. I need to see your hands.
Mark, show us your hands. Come on.
He still has a knife. Still has a knife.
Still has a knife. Still has a knife in his hand. Still has a knife in his hand.
Hey, I need you to roll. Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over to your left. Roll over to your left. I need you to get away from the knife.
Hey, Mark, drop the knife.
Hey, how do we want to play this, guys? How do we get this?
Hey, listen. The knife's on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's slowly move up.
Okay.
Let's slowly move.
Hey,
He's moving.
Hold up.
Hey, Mark,
We need to arrest him.
Do we have a shield? Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Hurry up. Hurry up with the shield.
Where's the knife? Is it
The knife's out of his hand. Knife's out of his hand. Listen, don't reach for the knife. Do not reach for the knife. Put your hands on top of your chest.
Hey, go look.
Put your hands on your chest.
the other way?
Listen, Mark, you have to roll the other way.
Other way, man.
Roll
to your left, Mark.
Mark, roll to your left. Don't touch the knife, okay?
Keep rolling. Keep
Hey, I'm
rolling.
gonna
Can you roll to us? Can you roll to us?
Yeah.
Do you have the shield up? Come up front. Come up front.
Hey, the knife is.
Hey, listen.
Which knife?
It's in reaching distance. Pancake him. Ready? Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's just a wife up
Bar,
there.
man.
It's a wife up
Stay
there.
with me, man. Mark.
Go ahead.
Left, right.
Go ahead. Go right. Hold right. Hold right. Hold right.
What happened, man? Please tell me what happened.
Search. Good. Wait. All right, move up. Move. Go ahead.
So, please.
Please.
Anyone else in here?
Moving up. One down. We have one down in the bathroom.